Away my peoples. So obviously we're back with the public interviews. We're on our way to Kanauk now because there's something happening there with all the TikTokers and all of that. We basically just gonna ask them a few questions. Make sure you subscribe, like the video. We're on our road to 10k subscribers. So yeah, subscribe to join the family. And away, stay tuned. Watch the full video. Comment down what's your favorite part of the video. And away, stay tuned. Okay, so who am I out?
Craig Junior, bro.
So Craig, first question, I'm gonna ask you a few questions. Why do you think girls cheat?
Because they're not happy, probably.
No.
Maybe.
Okay, so who am I out?
Zara.
Firstly, why do you think Bruce cheat?
Because they're stupid.
Okay, so who am I out?
Yo, to slime, bro. What's good, bro?
Okay, so firstly, no, why do you think girls cheat?
Why? Because they get bored.
No.
Shikama.
Okay, so who am I out?
Mr. Aris.
Listen, yo. Why do you think girls cheat?
What do you mean? What do you think girls
Like,
cheat?
what don't you cheat? Goodness.
They have nothing better to do.
Huh?
Nothing better to do.
Ja, representing Team Package hier, Raadspang.
Junior.
Is lui man.
Night.
Kijk hier, no. Hoe kan dan jullie cheat, kennis?
Ja, hij is aan. Die bal is te klein. Zij krijgen er genoeg, zij was ik te veel.
Als je alles te oom, man.
Klein Tolly.
Okay, so who am I out?
Akifa.
Listen, Akiva, no. Now, why do you think Bruce cheat?
Maybe if they're like being heartbroken or going through a lot of stuff and then they do what they do.
What can you buy with your body count?
Nothing.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
What can you buy with your body count?
Nothing.
Secondly, what can you buy with your body count, guys?
Packet of chips.
And what can you buy with your body count?
Bro, fucking 2 packets of chipa.
Last question, no. If your ex wanted you back or wanted to fix things, would you go or what would you do?
Nah, stay where you are.
No. As a
I'm
correct,
alright,
bro. If your ex wanted to fix things, would you go?
I'm happy where I am. No, thank you.
As a solid Zara. Last one. If your ex wanted to fix things, what will you do?
You know what, my bro? That girl said she's gonna put her cousins after me, so let's not talk about that, my bro.
Listen, if your ex wanted to fix things, what will you do?
I would halen, bro.
No. And if you
Not
found,
my previous ex. The previous ex. Yeah, that one.
I don't have exes, bro. But wait, who am I with?
Kiara.
Okay, Kiara, no. Say your ex wanted to fix things, what would you do?
I would say no, never. Wrong move.
No. How long should the talking stage last?
Very long. It should last long because you must get to know the person properly first.
Okay.
2 months.
2 months. My God.
Okay, but not chatting basically. You must get to know the person obviously first.
Alright, lastly, what's one message you'd like to give to your ex?
Is ik een zesde kans?
Sis! Do it!
Nee, kijk jou maar, sappie.
Ja. En jij ook zeggen, maar.
Geniet je liever verder, man. Enjoy it. Meneer aan mij dankie.
I'm here with people from Makasha. And the only question I want to ask now is what's one message you'd like to give to your ex?
Jouw maat!
Kijk hier, dat is wel van mij nou.
Kijk hier. Je hebt een slechte hartje, maar geniet je liever.
Ik was jou
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.
Jouw maat!
Women.
Kom, kijk.
Worry. Al wat ik van jou wil zien is, als niemand meer niet.
Ik zie alleen.
Wat? Ik ga veel beter als jou krijgen.
Ja, want ze heeft gevoeld, ze gaat kakvat. Nee, en hij zegt, ik krijg ze van niet bijna. Moet niet vergeten.
Listen, lastly, what's one message you'd like to give to your ex?
Oh, thank you for being helpful and thank you for opening my eyes.
Is that all?
Yes, that's all because you showed me the way though.
Okay. Lastly, what's one message you'd like to give to your ex?
No message because I have a man.
Worry. 10 mil, no? Maar ze moeten het in je hoofd
Ik ga
hebben.
het in mijn hoofd vat. Ik ga het in mijn hoofd vat. Hij zegt 10 man. Hij zegt 10 man. Nee, hoor, nou ga niet mijn oor. Hij is toegegroeid. Cancel.
Ja, ik zal het in mijn hoofd vatten.
Allemaal praat, kijk. Wait, no? 10 mil. Maar je moet het in je hoofd hebben.
Waar laat hij mijn
het
koers
wel.
neerzetten? Waar laat hij mijn koers neerzetten?
Ja, Rico, vraag echt toch goed, man? Ja, Rico, vraag.
10 mal, ik vat het in mijn hoofd en dan kan ik mijn meisje op meer dates vatten.
Oké. Ik is een meisje, zo ik vat het in mijn hoofd. En, luister, nee. Ik vat niet die 10 malie. Maar dat is mijn Holly.
Wait!
Let's say it times is mouse simple. Hi guys, welcome back to Rico's YouTube.
Waarom?
Man, uit daar, man. Vraag me bro, vraag. Ze gaan weer die alles. Moet niet uitkatten.
Ik los hij 10 mal. Ik vat het niet aan mijn hoofd.
Maak je mensen video 10 uur. Vraag me.
Wait, what's one message you'd like to give to your ex?
I don't have exes. I just have examples of not what to. I don't have exes. I just have examples of what not to do again. Verstaan jullie? En hij is mijn vrouwtje wat nou mij aangevat heeft. Type shit.
Dat is ik.
Wacht, nog een vraag.
Nee, man.
Ahoy, hij ging mij zo'n vraag.
Say your ex wanted to fix things. What would you do?
If my ex wanted to fix things, I would tell it so. Baby girl, can you see you do it dance? Can you see it? Wat ik eerst dacht is, nee, weet je wat, honestly, nou, ik zal niet danken met mijn ex-fitsie van, ik heb een goede meisje in mijn leven, wat mij wat hier. Jee! Oh, ik dacht eens een man, nee broer, om op. Nou, ik heb een goede meisje in mijn leven, wat mij wat hier en zo, ja, sinds de zoeken zal ik nou wel nog terug gaan naar haar toe. En sinds nou, ik moet maar nog niet die goed praten, want ze staan er. Ja!
Kijk hier nou. What you say, being friends with your ex is a red flag.
Yes, it's a red flag because why would you want to be with your ex if you have someone in your life?
Say, what's your biggest red flag in a bro?
If he cheats and stuff. Yeah, that's.
Do you think all bros does that?
No, not all. Everyone is different.
What would you do if you found out your best friend is dating your ex?
Oude getuigen, waarom kinderen bro? Sharing is caring.
Guys, so unfortunately, like, the mall was too full, my bro. Like, there was a lot going on. You can't really record, you can't move, nothing. There was fights, there was everything. Like, it was just a lot. But then I decided, nah, I'm in my night by going to watch a movie. And I wanted to, like, sneak snacks in, basically. Let's just watch the video.
Obviously, like, it's too full, yeah, man. You can't record liquor. And I'm sorry in advance, because you can't record while doing public interviews. But I'm gonna make it up for you. I'm gonna try to sneak snacks like into the movies, because we're gonna watch a movie now. So I'm gonna try to like sneak in like snacks basically. I don't know if it's allowed anymore. I've never been there, but like it's calm and season. We're gonna take one of this, and I think this one's gonna take one of this. Is that I can do? And I'm also gonna take this because my girlfriend loves this. I think she loves the mint one or this one. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna take this one. Wait, what? I don't know what's the price. Oh, you mad? This stuff is expensive, guys. It's expensive. And chocolate. I'm gonna buy this. We're gonna see if we can sneak it in by the movies. So yeah, what's the full video? I'm sorry guys for not completing. For not completing the public interviews. Like it's too full here in Canal. You can't record liquor, man. Anyway, we're gonna go pay for this. Then we're gonna see if they do anything there by the cinema. So obviously, the public interviews is not working because it's the pictures, it's full and like you can't record liquor. So we're gonna try to sneak in this basically by the cinema. I don't know if it's allowed or anything. My girlfriend's waiting for me by the cinema, so like I have to make quick because the video is starting in like 6 minutes. Yeah, we're gonna put this video. When we get there, hopefully they don't like search us or something. But yeah, when we're there, I'm gonna record again. So we're here, guys. They didn't do anything. It's still here, but they didn't do anything. So yeah.